Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to Rysfix. And in this video I will show you how to replace a tubeless tire from the rim. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. So the first thing that you will have to do here is you will have to release the air from the tire. Now to release the air from the tire you will need a tool like this. Now I have done an in-depth video on how to use and what are the functions of this tool. I will put a link of that video in the end screen so you can later go there and watch that video as well. So take this tool and remove the core stamp out from inside of the valve. Once you take that out, all the air which is there inside of this tire will go out. But it is not done yet guys. This is a tubeless tire, so to separate this tire from the rim it is not that easy. That is the reason why I am telling you guys watch the video carefully, because it is going to be a very interesting video. So once you release all the air, see that you stand on the tire like this and try to break the bead of the tire. Now what does it mean by breaking the bead? What it means is this tire is like stuck to the rim. Now even when you are standing on this tire, they will not separate from each other. So your job is to separate the tire from the rim. Now to do that you will need a lot of force guys. That is the reason why machines are used to break the bead. But if you are doing this at home, then how you will do it? That I will show you in this video. And for that you will have to use your car jack. So get your tire and put it in place where you would actually jack the car. Now here I will have to make use of two jacks guys, because when I keep the tire under my car where I usually put the jack, the ground clearance is not that much and there is no space to put the jack in between the tire and the car. So I will use another jack and I will put it from behind like this. Now you will have to align this jack in such a way that you should be able to put the other jack as well, and that too in the right spot. So I will align this jack on the metal bar from this side, and then I will go on the other side and I will lift the car a little bit. You should not take the car up too much. You will have to only take the car up till the jack which we are going to put on top of the tire will go inside in place, because we are going to use the weight of the car to break the bead. So now you will have to keep the tire in position like this, which is the right spot to jack the car, and this is my jack which came along with the car. So I will lower this jack now as much as possible, and for that I will make use of this cordless drill. I have already made an unboxing video of this drill. You can later go on my channel and watch that video as well. So I will lower the jack totally like this, and once I lower it completely, now the jack will fit on top of my tire easily like this. Now if I don't raise the car a little bit, this jack will not fit here. That is the reason why I have raised this car a little bit, so that this jack will fit here. Now this is the same place where you would usually jack your car up. So I am making use of the same spot, because if you use the wrong spot then you can damage your car. Then you will have to get soap water and you will have to spray the soap water on the tire like this. Because when you apply soap water, it helps in sliding the tire down, which can quicken the process of breaking the bead. After that you will have to start to raise the car now. So first I will make use of my drill, and I can use the drill only till here. From here I will have to manually turn this thing to take the car up. If you have an impact drill, then you might be able to use it to raise the car. So when you are doing manually, put a rod like this and go on rotating. As you rotate, your car will start to come up and your tire will get pressed. So like this you will have to continue till your bead breaks. Do it in a relaxing manner guys. As you guys can see, my bead is still not broken. Now to break this bead you need a lot of force guys. That is the reason why we are making use of the weight of this entire car. Now after turning it for a long time, as you guys can see, my bead has started to break. So watch carefully guys how the bead is breaking. Just see how the tire leaves the rim. This process is called breaking the bead guys. So I am done breaking the bead on one side of the tire guys, and you guys have experienced it already. Like this your tire will get released from the rim and it will go down. So what I have done is I have raised the car a little bit by making use of this jack, and I have kept it like that for a while, and I stayed patiently till the bead broke, because this tire can't hold the weight for too long guys. So I'm done breaking the bead on one side, but it is not over yet guys. So the next thing that I will do is I will take this jack out from here, and once I take out this jack, and I will take the tire out from here. Once I take the tire out, I will stand on this tire and take out all the air which is there inside. So like this, stand on the tire and break the bead on all the sides and separate the tire from the rim. So now you will have to break the bead from the other side of the tire as well. So you will have to repeat the same process again. Now if you rotate the tire and if you stand on this side, you will notice that even when I am standing, it is not breaking the bead, as you guys can see. So again you will have to put this tire under the car, but this time you will have to rotate the tire and keep the side of which you are supposed to break the bead on top like this. Once you keep this side up, see that you spray soapy water on top of it, which will quicken your process of breaking the bead. Then put the tire inside and keep it in proper position. Then put the jack in position Once you put the jack in position, now it's time to start to raise the car. Now when you are raising the car, there are chances that your jack will slip on one side. So see that you kick on the tire like this and keep the jack in straight position. Otherwise it will slip and come out, which you should not allow. Now the entire weight of this car is on this jack. Now if you see on the side, you will notice that the tire is rotating and it is not even resting on that other jack, as you guys can see. So the entire weight is on this jack now, and still it is not breaking the bead, guys. So I kept it like this for a while and then it started to break the bead. Now how it looks like when the bead breaks, you guys have experienced it already. So now I will take out this jack from its position and I will take the tire on my cloth again now. Now all the things that you have done till here, it doesn't require much of an effort, guys. That was the easy part. So now after this is the part where you will have to use some efforts, and that is to take out this tire from this rim. Now for that you will need two rods like this, which are easily available on Amazon. This one rod is 22 inch and other rod is 18 inch. So I have bought all three of these together so that I can use them in the future. Now I have purchased this also so that my rim will not get damaged, but I will not use them in this video. Now these rods have two sides, as you guys can see. This is one side. This side you will have to use while putting back the tire, and this is the other side, guys. This side you will have to use while taking out the tire. So now I will make use of this side and I will take out the tire. Now as you guys can see, I have put the rod inside on that side now. And now here comes the difficult part, guys. So I have put the 22 inch rod inside. Now by putting that rod inside, I have taken out the tire as much as possible on this spot, as you guys can see. Then I will take a 18 inch rod and I will put it inside of the tire with a distance of around 20 centimeters. And then I will pry out the tire from this spot. So here my tire is come out from this spot as well. So I will slide this 18 inch rod near my 22 inch rod and I will take out the 22 inch rod from there. Once I take that out, I will leave some space and I will start to take out the tire from this part now. So here comes out my tire from here. Now I will leave this rod here only and I will take out the 18 inch rod and I will leave more 10 to 20 centimeters and I will put the rod inside and pry out the tire from here now. Now when I pry out the tire from here, the entire tire comes out from the rim, as you guys have seen that. Now till here it is okay. Still you will have to totally separate the tire from the rim. Now to do that you will have to keep the rim and tire standing like this. And now comes the most difficult part, guys. This part right here is the most difficult in this entire process. So put a rod inside like this and as much as possible press the tire down like this with the rod. Then you will have to make use of a hammer, guys. Otherwise this tire is not going to leave the rim. So take a hammer and bang on the tire on this spot like this. Then you will notice that the tire starts to come out. So most of your energy will be used up here, guys. You will have to use the energy here, guys. If you want, you can even make use of two rods like this and push the tire down. You can even make use of soapy water here so that the tire will slide out easily. If by banging on one side the tire is not leaving the rim, then start to bang on the other side, guys. And as you bang on this side, your tire will start to leave the rim, guys. And once you see that your tire is coming out, you will start to become happy, guys. I also get happy, guys. That is the reason why I know that. Now the tire is come out so much, but still it is not leaving the rim. As you guys can see how difficult it is to replace a tubeless tire, guys. So in my next video I will show you a easier way to replace this tire. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So here we are done taking out the tire from the rim. Now I will show you how to put back the tire on the rim. So when you are ready to put back the tire, see that you check on the tire which is the back side and which is the front side. Nowadays it is written on the tire which is the back side and which is the front side. So see that you check that properly first. So once you are done checking which is the front side and which is the back side, then see that you keep the tire back down like this. Then spray soapy water on the tire. Then keep the rim on the tire like this. Now put the rim inside of the tire as much as possible by making use of your hand force. So as you guys can see, by making use of my hands, I have put the rim inside on one side. Once you put the rim inside on one side, now get your rod and try to pry in the tire from the sides like this first. But remember that now when you are making use of the rod, see that you are using the other side of the rod. And now by making use of that side, you will have to push this rim inside of the tire. You can even make use of your feet here to push the rim down. So here my rim is gone inside on one side. Now come on, let's put the other side inside. So turn the tire and spray soapy water on the tire. Once you are done spraying the soapy water, see that you stand on the tire and try to put the tire back in by making use of your legs. So as much as possible try to do it with your feet, and in one of your hands you should be holding that rod by which we will have to pry in this tire. Then make use of the rod and start to put the tire in. Now when you are doing this for the first time, you will find it slightly difficult, guys. Now if it is not possible with one rod, then make use of the other rod as well, and see that you put it inside like this and keep, and then make use of the longer rod and try to slide in the tire. Here you will need some physical force, guys. So all the force that you have, now it's time to use it. And on one side you should be standing on the tire and keep moving your feet and keep pushing the tire inside so that the tire will go in properly. And now for the last one, guys, put the rod in and slide the tire inside. So here my entire tire is now back onto the rim. This is a tubeless tire, guys. So what are the troubles that you will go through if you are replacing a tubeless tire that I have shown you in this video? So once you are done putting the tire back, see that you put back the core stem inside of the valve, which we had taken out to release all the air from the tire. Now it's time to put it back, guys. Then make use of this tool and tighten the stem. Once you tighten that, you will have to bring your air line. As you guys can see, air is coming out from this line now. So take the air line, and the recommended air pressure of my car is 33. So I will keep it on 33. So once I put the air in, I am done replacing my tire. One last thing that you will have to do here, guys, is spray soapy water on the rim like this and check if there are any bubbles coming out. If bubbles are coming out, then your tire is not fitted properly. See that you make use of a hammer and bang it from all the sides like this, and then it will fit properly. Now my recommendation is, don't put this tire back onto the car directly. Go to a wheel balancing shop and balance this tire and then put it on the car. And check if there is air coming out from the valve by applying some soapy water here. And if a bubble is formed, then you know that your valve is not proper. So if you found this video useful, see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Rysfix signing out. Until we meet again.